नायका हॉट पिंक सेल कुछ मत खरीदना है वीडियो देखे बगैर, क्योंकि मैं आज आपको देने वाली हूँ अफोर्डेबल ड्यूप्स जो कि आप एक अच्छे ब्रांड से स्वैप कर सकते हो। आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये वीडियो आपका बहुत पैसा बचाने वाली है। सो विदाउट अ फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अच्छा, एक और बात, ये वीडियो अगर आप देख रहे हो तो सबसे पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकन भी हिट कर देना, ताकि अब आपके पैसे बचने वाले हैं तो आप थोड़ा सा प्यार तो मुझे दे सकते हो ना। सो विदाउट अ फर्दर डिले नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो सबसे पहले अगर हम बात करते हैं कि आप घर पे अगर मेकअप कर रहे हो या आप सेल्फ मेकअप कर रहे हो, अपनी सेल्फ मेकअप वैनिटी बनाना चाहते हो, फर्स्ट थिंग इज मॉइस्चराइजर दैट वर्क्स एज अ प्राइमर एज वेल, दैट इज ऑर्डिनरी। ऑर्डिनरी अगर आप लेते हो तो ये आपका मॉइस्चराइजर की तरह ही काम करेगा, एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल प्रोडक्ट एंड वर्क्स एज अ प्राइमर एज वेल। ओके, नाउ if we talk about color correction concealers, Tarte is a professional concealer that everybody uses, but if you want something similar like Tarte, you can always swap it with L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. ये कवरेज सेम इसकी तरह ही देता है। दीज बोथ आर हाई कवरेज कंसीलर्स। और अगर आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा मैट है, क्योंकि हाई कवरेज कंसीलर्स कभी कभी थोड़े से मैट हो जाते हैं, तो आप एल्फ हाइड्रेटिंग कंसीलर भी ले सकते हो। अगर आप इसे देखोगे तो कवरेज इसकी भी पूरी है। इस वीडियो के एंड तक शायद मैं थोड़ी जोकर ही लगने लगूंगी, बट पैसे तो बच रहे हैं ना। दिस इज लाइक अ करेक्टिंग शेड फॉर मी। फॉर सेल्फ मेकअप ये हाइड्रेटिंग भी है और कवरेज भी देता है ना। कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? So you can always take ELF and L'Oreal concealers for your under eye and you are all set. Okay, concealer part is done. Now next, अगर आप थोड़ा सा ब्राइटनिंग कंसीलर चाहते हो, जैसे आजकल प्रोफेशनल मेकअप्स में हम बोलते हैं कि येलो कंसीलर्स चाहिए होते हैं टू ब्राइटन अप द अंडर आई, के बाय कटरीना का ये येलो अंडर आई कंसीलर इज अ परफेक्ट कंसीलर टू ब्राइटन अप योर अंडर आई। ये वीडियो स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है, मुझे किसी ने कोई पैसे नहीं दिए हैं इस वीडियो को बनाने के लिए। ये बस मुझे पसंद है प्रोडक्ट्स, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कभी कोई ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज ही नहीं किए, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, आई वॉज यूजिंग ऑल द प्रोफेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स. So now in the journey of content creation, I have been trying these products and I found out some gems. So I want to share it with you. Now can you see? This is a beautiful concealer. I love. इसमें orange color का भी आता है के बाय कटरीना में. You can always take that. No, if you don't want to take that, you can always go ahead with LA Girl concealer. Okay. Now concealer part is done. Talking about brows, एल्फ ब्राउ जेल और एल्फ लिक्विड ब्राउ जेल भी आता है इंस्टेड ऑफ एनास्टेसिया बेवर्ली हिल्स brow gel. There is nothing special in this, so you can definitely take elf liquid brow gel or this pomade, or Anastasia में भी pomades आते हैं, so you can always take this one or those and save your money. I'm not saying products which are expensive does not works. Of course they work, they are beautiful, but then if you are starting and you want to make your own vanity, you can definitely save your money in the starting, and then always you can invest in the luxury, right? So these are comfortable dupes that I'm telling you. These are very realistic dupes, not just like that anything I'm telling you. Okay, L'Oreal gel eyeliner, ये मैंने अपनी कल वाली वीडियो में भी बताया था जो नायका हॉट पिंक की डाली थी. L'Oreal gel eyeliner is one of the best gel eyeliner I have worked with on brides, on myself. No doubt this is a professional gel eyeliner. I have MAC as well. This is MAC and this is L'Oreal. I mean both are gel eyeliner. ये I guess 800 से 1000 रुपए की रेंज का है, and this I guess is of 2000. Why not to save money? Brows, I always use my Kosa's Air Brow Gel. This is like a tinted brow gel and I use it on myself a lot. This is for self vanity, but you can always take NYX Brow Tinted Gel in shade dark brown, and you can always take Maybelline tinted gel as well in shade dark brown, deep brown. these can be comfortably swapped and it's not gonna be a problem for you. Now if you're looking for something for professional vanity, you can always take L'Oreal Brow Artist. इसके बारे में मैंने कल भी बात करी थी. जनरली मैं MAC का आई शेडो जो होता है एस्प्रेसो वो भी यूज करती थी ब्राउज के लिए, बट दिस वन ends the need for it and this is beautiful. This is again in shade dark brown or something. Now next, सबसे ज़्यादा हमें पसंद होते हैं ब्लशेस, राइट? के बाय कटरीना's Rosy Romance Rare Beauty Blush with K by Katrina's blush. You can definitely try this as well. Very comfortable, pigmented and beautiful. Why not to invest in K by Katrina's blush rather than buying a bigger brand at once? Milani Rose d'Oro looks same like MAC Peaches. You can definitely swap this one with MAC Peaches blush. This looks like this peachish, and you can definitely swap this one with MAC Peaches, but this has little bit of shine in it, so if you have texture you need to think about it. Otherwise it looks almost peachy and beautiful. Most important part of this video, let's just talk about it. Fenty Glow 01, Maybelline 015 Sand. In fact, I feel this is better for pigmented lips as well. What do you think? अभी और दिखाती हूँ, रुक जाओ. Makeup Revolution Daydream. Eco Hydra Gloss 36. Next, let's just keep on going. MAC Costa Riche eyeliner or eye smudger, or some people use it as their lip liner as well. You can always take Swiss Beauty Dark Chocolate Lip Liner. You want to see swatches? See, come. I'm gonna swatch it again. This is MAC Costa Riche Swiss Beauty Dark Chocolate. Pillow Talk Medium 2. PAC Mauve. Which one is different? Tell me, which one is Pillow Talk and which one is PAC? Right? Okay. और लिप लाइनर्स पे तो मुझे लगता है पैसा सेव करना ही चाहिए. लिप लाइनर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड हैज़ टू बी cost effective as well. So next, some of the lipsticks I think you must buy in this sale is Nykaa Let It Snooze. It's a beautiful brown lipstick. Very creamy, satiny, and it looks so good. I think you must keep one. My lips are a little dry today. Okay. Now next is Jade Rose. This is a beautiful color and I think it's very flattering on Indian skin. It will look super nice on all types of skin tones. This is a beautiful shade, good for middle age and good for plus 50 women as well. This will look really nice. This is Nykaa Jade Rose Crayon. Very creamy, comfortable formula, easy to apply but transferable. Okay. Liquid lipstick, Nykaa Burfi. This is an amazing liquid lipstick. I have also shared a shot related to it. It's like a brown, comfortable formula, but trendy nude that you should be taking. Okay. One lip liner from Nykaa that I truly love is Nykaa Fiesty Brown. You might have seen me wearing this one in a lot of videos. This is beautiful. This is Nykaa Fiesty Brown. These look amazing. Now, always save your money on mascaras. I have already shared how beautiful Panorama mascara is. I have already shared the comparison video. You can always go and check the comparison video on my page of the mascaras, and you will be able to buy a good mascara. MAC Fix Plus is important. I would say don't go ahead with something else. MAC Fix Plus is really important if you are doing professional makeup. If you are doing self makeup, I am yet to discover some sprays. I have not discovered any yet. So that will take some time. Now, foundations. I think you can easily swap K Beauty foundation. This is a hydrating foundation with Too Faced foundation. Both are hydrating, both have coverage, and if you're not doing professional makeup, if you're doing your self makeup, this is a swappable option for you. My Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and you can always swap it with Givenchy Tint Couture. Now, I would not say this is something which is exactly same, but for the coverage wise, I think this can easily swap Givenchy Tint Couture, which is a beautiful foundation, but can be swappable with this. Okay, next is easily swappable, and that is Elf Halo Glow with Charlotte Tilbury filter. You can easily save your money. This is, I guess, for 4,000 bucks, and this is for 1,500 or something. Yes, try these, and I'm saving your money. So save one like for me and subscribe to my channel. This is a very good option. So try these. Let me know if you like it or not. For the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter, you can take Maybelline Master Chrome. Not a very chunky highlighter, easy and good to go. You can definitely invest in this one, and this is not a big deal. You can easily swap this one, or you can take K by Katrina Sunlit Gold, and there is, I guess, champagne kind of shade. This is a lighter shade. You can always take this. And I would say the monsoon is going on. If you are planning to buy a compact that should have little bit of coverage as well, buy Maybelline Superstay 24-hour compact. This is a beautiful formula. I sometimes replace this with MAC Studio Fix when I'm doing my makeup. Maybelline Superstay 24-hour, beautiful compact. It has coverage. ज़्यादा मत करना, चौकी हो जाता है, थोड़ा ही लगाना. Okay, and I also like Milani Bright Side Primer. This is a dewy primer and it looks beautiful beneath any foundation. Amazing, amazing formula. K by Katrina's brown colored eyeliner instead of any other eyeliner. I think this is a beautiful formula. So some water, and let's see if it goes somewhere or not. K by Katrina's brown eyeliner doesn't goes anywhere. So I like these products. That's why I am recommending these to you. मेरी इतनी जर्नी में मैंने अभी इतने प्रोडक्ट्स एक्सप्लोर किए हैं. I hope you are going to like this video and you will make good choices. This is Neha Devgan saying bye bye. Subscribe कर लेना भूलना मत. मैंने पैसे बचाए हैं. All right, bye everybody. Enjoy.